Did you know that spirulina, a type of blue-green algae, contains more protein than beef, chicken, or soybeans? This ancient superfood, used centuries ago by the Aztecs, is now making a comeback. And it's no wonder why. With its impressive protein content, spirulina leaves most conventional food sources in the dust. It's like having a protein-packed powerhouse right at your fingertips. So, let's dive right in and explore why spirulina is taking the world by storm. Imagine consuming a superfood that surpasses the protein content of most conventional food sources. In recent years, spirulina has emerged as a dietary superstar. This humble blue-green algae has made a splash in the wellness world, with its popularity skyrocketing. But what's the fuss about? Well, it seems that this unassuming microorganism packs quite a punch when it comes to health benefits. It's an excellent source of nutrients, including protein, vitamins, and minerals. Moreover, it's naturally low in calories and fat, making it a favorite among those seeking a nutrient-dense, low-calorie dietary addition. From fitness enthusiasts to those simply seeking a healthier lifestyle, spirulina has found a place in many diets worldwide. Its versatility in culinary applications has also contributed to its rise. From smoothies to salads, spirulina has proven that it's more than just pond scum. Now let's delve into why spirulina is gaining such a strong reputation. In our fast-paced world, maintaining a balanced diet can be a challenge. These days, we're constantly on the go, juggling work, home, and life's many responsibilities. Amidst all this chaos, it's easy to fall into a routine of quick, convenient, but not necessarily nutritious meals. This lack of proper nutrition can lead to myriad health issues. We're seeing a rising tide of chronic diseases, heart disease, diabetes, obesity, to name just a few. These are in many cases lifestyle diseases stemming from our dietary choices and sedentary habits. But what if there was a simple, natural solution that could help us combat these health challenges? Enter spirulina. This humble blue-green algae, often touted as a superfood, could be the nutritional powerhouse we need to enhance our health and well-being. Spirulina is packed with nutrients, vitamins, minerals, and amino acids, all the good stuff your body needs to function at its best. It's rich in proteins, making it a great choice for those looking to up their protein intake. And the best part? It's plant-based, making it a fantastic, easily digestible source of protein for vegetarians and vegans. But spirulina's benefits don't stop at nutrition. It's also a potent antioxidant, helping to fight off harmful free radicals that can damage our cells and contribute to chronic diseases. Moreover, spirulina has been shown to have anti-inflammatory properties, which can be beneficial in managing conditions like arthritis and other inflammatory diseases. But wait, there's more. Spirulina is also believed to support a healthy immune system, keeping you fighting fit and ready to tackle whatever life throws at you. And let's not forget about energy. Many spirulina users report feeling more energetic and focused. It's no wonder then that spirulina has become a popular supplement among athletes and fitness enthusiasts. So whether you're battling chronic disease, looking to boost your nutrition, or just want to feel more energetic, spirulina could be the answer. Spirulina could be the missing piece in our quest for optimal health. It's time we take a leaf out of our ancestors' book and turn to nature's pharmacy for solutions to our modern health challenges. So what exactly makes spirulina a superfood? Well, it's a question with many answers, as spirulina boasts an impressive array of health benefits that make it a standout in the superfood world. Let's start with its nutritional profile. Spirulina is a protein powerhouse, with a single tablespoon offering 4 grams of protein. This makes it an excellent source of protein for vegetarians and vegans. But spirulina is not just about protein. This green superfood is also packed with vitamins and minerals. From vitamin B1, B2, and B3 to copper and iron, spirulina is a true nutrient-dense food. And did you know that spirulina is a fantastic source of antioxidants? That's right. These compounds fight off harmful free radicals in your body, helping to prevent chronic diseases and aging. Spirulina's main active component, phycocyanin, not only gives spirulina its unique blue-green color, but also has powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. But the benefits of spirulina do not stop at nutrition and antioxidants. Spirulina is also known to boost energy levels. Thanks to its rich nutrient content, incorporating spirulina into your diet can help you feel more energetic and lively throughout the day. Now let's talk about spirulina's role in supporting the immune system. Spirulina has been found to stimulate the production of antibodies and beneficial immune cells, which can help your body fight off infections and diseases. So, Adding spirulina to your diet can be a great way to give your immune system a much-needed boost, especially during the cold and flu season. But perhaps one of the most fascinating benefits of spirulina is its potential to help manage weight. Spirulina is high in protein and dietary fiber, both of which can help you feel fuller for longer. This can potentially lead to reduced calorie intake and weight loss over time. What's more, spirulina also shows promise in promoting heart health. Studies suggest that spirulina can lower bad LDL cholesterol and triglycerides while raising beneficial HDL cholesterol. This can contribute to a healthier heart and may reduce your risk of heart disease. It's also worth mentioning that spirulina has been found to help detoxify the body, particularly in removing heavy metals like arsenic. This makes spirulina a great addition to any detox program. So, whether you're looking to boost your nutrient intake, improve your immune function, manage your weight, or support your heart health, spirulina is definitely worth considering. As you can see, spirulina is much more than meets the eye. The potential health benefits are immense, and its versatility makes it easy to incorporate into your daily diet. So why not give this ancient superfood a try and see what it can do for you? Remember, as with any dietary changes, it's always best to consult with a healthcare professional before diving in. You may be wondering, does spirulina really make a difference? Well, let's dive into a couple of success stories that showcase the impressive health transformations brought about by this humble blue-green algae. Our first story takes us to the life of a marathon runner named Lisa. Lisa, like many athletes, was constantly on the lookout for natural ways to boost her energy and endurance levels. When she discovered spirulina, she was skeptical, but decided to give it a shot. Lisa started incorporating spirulina into her pre-workout smoothies, and within a matter of weeks, she noticed a significant increase in her stamina. Not only that, she also found that her recovery times after strenuous workouts were considerably reduced. Spirulina turned out to be a game-changer for Lisa, helping her achieve new personal bests and leaving her feeling revitalized and ready for the next challenge. Next, we have John, a middle-aged man who is grappling with high blood pressure and cholesterol levels. On his quest to improve his health, John stumbled upon spirulina. Intrigued by its rich nutritional profile, he decided to include it in his daily diet. Over the course of several months, John experienced a remarkable improvement in his overall health. His blood pressure normalized, his cholesterol levels dropped, and he even lost a few pounds. John credits spirulina as a key player in his health transformation, and he couldn't be happier with the results. Then there's Sophia, a busy mom who was always feeling worn out and constantly battled seasonal allergies. Sophia began adding a spoonful of spirulina into her morning juice. To her surprise, she started feeling more energetic and noticed a significant reduction in her allergy symptoms. Sophia's story is yet another testament to the potential of spirulina to support the immune system and boost energy levels. These real-life stories show us the power of spirulina. From boosting athletic performance to supporting heart health and bolstering the immune system, spirulina has proven time and again to be a worthy addition to our daily diets. Let's revisit why spirulina is a must-have in your diet. This blue-green algae, a powerhouse of nutrients, is one of the most potent superfoods on the planet. Packed with protein, it outpaces most traditional sources, offering a plant-based alternative that's loaded with essential amino acids. Not just protein, spirulina is a treasure trove of antioxidants fighting off harmful free radicals and reducing oxidative stress. It's a natural energy booster, making you feel more awake and alive without the crash of caffeine. The immune-supporting properties of spirulina are well documented, helping your body defend against illness and disease. And let's not forget the potential of spirulina to aid in weight management by promoting feelings of fullness and reducing overeating. From improved eye health to enhanced gut function, the benefits of spirulina are as varied as they are powerful. Incorporating spirulina into your diet could be a game changer. Have you tried spirulina before? We'd love to hear about your experiences, whether you're a seasoned spirulina fan or just starting on this superfood journey. So drop us a comment below. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching.